deeply they become your life. It's easy to succumb to overwhelming feelings inside. Blindly I imagine I could keep you under glass. Now I understand, to hold you I must open up my hands and watch you ride. Ooh, yeah.
And
Things
fly.
and fly
Exactly.
and do the things that I've always wanted to do before, like directing my own shows, conceptualizing my own shows. Plus now I'm directing my own videos, so it's really great. That's why
Now,
it's one of my favorites now.
Regine, I read somewhere na may sinabi ka na, you can now wake up in the morning and, you're so sure of yourself now na you can actually leave your singing career behind.
Kasi,
When did this feeling begin? Kailan ka na mulat sa umagang ganun?
Because I said that, kasi ngayon, I can say na mas fulfilled na ako as an artist. Kasi nga, I was able to do all the things that I've always wanted to do. I'm given a chance na, kumbaga. So, kung today, babawiin sa akin yung talent na pinahiram ni God, I'd be fine. Kasi,
You've done what you can.
Nagawa ko na yung mga gusto kong gawin.
You've given showbiz what you can give it, and it's given you what it can also.
A lot of things.
A lot of
given
things.
me a lot of things.
Now this next song, actually I just heard it on the way here on the radio. So
I didn't even know you play the piano.
well,
Wow.
neither did I. So here we go.
Ano nga bang kanta to?
This is one of your no, the other one. Yung kanta mo for a theme song ng movie.
Okay. Di ba ang ganda ko? Hindi ko alam kung anong gano'ng kakatay. Hello!
Ganda ka talaga. Here we go. One more time.
How can I, each time I try, you say goodbye. You are there, you look my way, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my song.
Now this was the song from your theme song ng movie mong Perfect Mother.
Wanted Perfect Mother. My very, very first full-length movie.
Na starring ka talaga.
Oo,
Di ba?
oo.
No, you haven't been doing movies lately. Why is that? Bakit ka parang umiiwas sa mga pelikula ngayon?
Hindi naman, kaya lang wala lang, kasi lately I've been doing mga shows abroad. Gumigimik kasi nangangailangan ako eh.
Ganun ba?
Kaya puro mga shows abroad muna yung. Tsaka masyado akong madaming nasagutan kasi this year. That's why I was not able to do another movie. But I'm supposed to do another movie next year.
Ano yung theme naman ng movie na yan?
Wala pa. We're still fixing it. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino yung makakasama ko. So,
Yung kanina pag-usapan natin yung first movie mong Perfect Mother, your sister, Kaka, is about to become a mother.
she gave birth
Ay, she's a mother na pala.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
she gave birth.
She gave birth. When did she give birth?
Like 3 days ago. Ano siya kasi?
Congratulations,
Yeah,
Kakay.
congratulations.
She was here on the show a few months ago.
Yeah.
So, wala ka bang nararamdaman na gusto mo rin maging mother? To put it subtly.
Ha? Parang,
Pero siyempre, asawa muna.
siguro kailangan mo na ako maghanap ng boyfriend. At maghanap ako ng asawa.
So, ang sinasabi mo ngayon ay available ka.
Oo.
Mga lalaki, ayan po. Available daw si Regine. Saan sila mag-send ng mga application?
Sa ano? Dito? Hindi, parang ano lang, parang. Kasi actually, 2 of my sisters just got married. The other one gave birth and the other one na just gave birth
3 days ago.
So, dalawa na yung apo ng mga nanay at tatay ko. Kaya, okay na ako kasi at least hindi na nila ako
Okay na muna.
kukulitin. Oo.
Break muna, break.
Break muna. So, okay lang.
Now, okay, let's go on to our next song.
Okay.
And ito, I'm sure very special sa'yo. Pero tugtugin muna natin para sa mga kaibigan nating nanonood.
Okay. In your eyes, I could see my dreams reflections. In your
Now that song brings back, I'm sure, ang dami-daming memories. Dahil yan ang kantang ginamit
Pinanalo
mo.
ko.
When was this? 1986?
1984.
84. How many years ago yon? Math ko. Sa math. 12, 13, 14.
14 years. 14 years.
14 years.
14 years. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Biglang nagkaroon siya ng realization
Parang
na
ako,
14.
nagising, 14 years. 14 years and very many pounds after. Hi. Yun yung pinanalo ko sa Ang Bagong Kampiyon.
Ang Bagong Kampiyon, right.
And I was so young then. 13 lang yata ako nun.
13. Akalain mo ba noon na magiging Asia Songbird ka?
Hindi ko alam na magiging ibon pala ako balang araw. No, I dreamt of this, of course. Pero pag kayong nandyan na kasi yung dreams mo, parang,
Right.
wow, is this really happening to me? So parang, it's nice.
When did they start calling you Asia Songbird? Do you remember?
I don't remember it anymore eh. Pero, very flattering sa akin yung title na yun. Kaya lang, meron ding nakakatakot na part kasi parang you have to live up to everybody's expectations.
Did you feel any pressure? Parang medyo, nung tinawag kang Asia Songbird, you won an international competition, di ba? May pressure ba na malaki nun?
Malaki yung pressure kasi nga parang you have to always be good. Eh paano kung hindi?
Well, actually, naapektuhan nga ako sa isang nabasa ko sa tabloid. May nakalagay doon na parang tinalikuran mo daw yung pagiging probinsyana mo, which you were so proud of before daw.
I am still proud of it. Yeah.
Well, for those who yung mga bata na ngayon medyo malaki na, tell them where you came from. Tell them exactly where.
Galing po ako sa Bulacan. I still live there. Doon pa rin ako nakatira. Sa taga Bulacan po ako. But actually, hindi talaga kami tubong Bulacan. Ang mommy ko from Leyte and my father's from Manila talaga. Tapos doon kami nag-settle. So, bali, doon din talaga ako lumaki. And doon ako nag-start, doon ako nag-join ng mga amateur singing contest
Nun
before.
struggling singer ka pa nun.
Struggling. Sobrang struggling. Wala kaming pambiling shampoo.
Ayun.
Sabon lang. Yun.
Ngayon, pag-usapan na natin yung mahilig ka mag-drawing ng mata. I read somewhere. Is that true?
Yeah.
Mata.
I still do that. Nagdo-drawing pa lang ako. Usually, mostly yung mga dinodrawing ko, mga face ng mga babae. Kasi
Babae?
diba, kasi mas softer yung lines eh, kesa paglalaki. So, and then what I love to, kunwari uupo ako sa isang restaurant, kakain kami, pagtayo ko doon, may mata na yun. May mata na yung
So magtataka yung waiter, bakit may mata dito?
May mata dyan. May mata na yun.
So what is it about the eyes? I mean, I'm sure that people call it, yung tawag nilang mirror of the soul and this and that. Pero for you, anong special meaning ng mata?
Actually, yun din.
Maganda ba mata ko?
Oo, okay.
Pwede na, okay. Pero hindi pala drawing.
Pwede.
Mamaya mag-drawing session
Sige,
po kami.
mamaya.
But what is it about eyes? Ano ba yung tungkol sa mata na...
Kasi yung eyes nga, parang kahit isang eye lang yung i-draw mo, you can already see the emotions. Kung anong emotions, kung masaya, kung malungkot.
Lungkot.
Pwede mo nang makita agad. Hindi kagaya kunwari ng nose. Anong emosyon ng nose, di ba?
Uy, may emotion ng nose sa atin naman. Emotion.
Anong emosyon ng nose, di ba?
Pinag-usapan na natin yung...
Talaga aking close-up din.
Pinag-usapan na natin yung pagdodrawing. Yung title ng album mong bago, after how many years? 3 years, I think.
3 years.
Since your last one. Ang pangalan ay Drawn.
Drawn.
Bakit drawn? Drawn to what? Or drawn
Yes.
to knowing?
Double meaning, actually.
Double meaning.
Hopefully drawn to me.
Well, of
and
course.
to my music, hopefully.
Uh-huh.
And actually, I thought of the title because I wanted them to, I wanted the album na makover sana yung one of my drawings. Because I wanted to share naman my other side to everyone.
Hindi yung mga mata mo.
Hindi. It's a whole face, actually.
Buong mukha.
Buong mukha siya.
Sino yung
And
model mo for that face?
ang model ko actually si Winona Ryder, pero hindi
Wow.
niya naging kamukha.
Kamukha ni
Mata lang, mata lang.
Si Gurney Weaver. Hindi naman.
Medyo. Pero bali yun, kaya siya tinawag talagang drawn is because of the drawing.
Yung drawing.
Sa front ng yung cover mismo.
Now, your last album, Retro.
Retro.
This album naman, may mga remix ka, di ba?
Yeah, it's a concept album and most of the songs I recorded there are all old songs. So this time, I'm very happy because finally, nakapag-record ako ng mostly originals naman. I still have yung mga revivals kasi usong-uso ngayon yun eh.
Why is that? Why do you think usong-usong mga revival ngayon? For upcoming stars, for stars who've been there for so long, singers who've been there for so long?
Kasi, alam mo,
Parang
actually,
revival.
kailan ko lang nalaman na, kasi nga yung bagong generation ngayon, they don't even know na yung mga songs na yon nag-i-exist. So it's good also that yung mga beautiful old songs before are being parang revived nowadays. Kasi maganda, tsaka ang gaganda talaga kasi ng mga songs ng araw. I'm not
Before.
saying that wala nang lumalabas ng mga gandang
Ngayon
songs.
minsan masasabi medyo adulterated na kasi high-tech na
Ayun,
nawawala
yun
na
lang.
yung,
Nawawala
yung
na talaga
natural
yung
feel
soul,
of the song. Oo.
oo.
Right.
But unlike before, kaya nga siguro that's one of the reasons why marami ding nare-revive na songs ngayon.
What's one of your favorite songs in this new album of yours?
The single, How Could You Leave?
How Could You Leave?
Yeah, that's the...
Can you sing us a few bars quickly?
Okay, sure.
Without me playing the piano? A cappella.
Okay. All day I sit alone, just thinking about your smile. I feel you in my dreams. How you complete me. Yon, thank you.
So ayan po, yan ang kantang kailangan abangan po ninyo sa next album. Invite them to the launching of your album, please.
Yes, ilo-launch ko po yung album ko formally at the SM Mega Mall Atrium at 4 p.m. And I'm gonna be singing some of the songs from the album entitled Drawn. So sana po magkita-kita tayo. And I'm also going to be one of the guests dun sa show ng company. It's called Recycle. So sana magkita-kita tayo November 20 and 21. And I'm also going to have my own show. It's also entitled Drawn on November 27, 28, and December 4 and 5 at the Music Museum. So I'm inviting you
I'll
and
make it.
Ching to
I'll be
watch
there.
the show. So I hope you all be there.
Regine, before anything else, gusto ko tayong pasalamatan dahil I am actually a fan of yours, of your music, of your songs, and malaking karangalan po na nagkasama tayo ngayong hapon for me to play, for you to sing.
Thank you for playing
Let's,
the piano.
mga kaibigan, Regine Velasquez, Asia Songbird. Good luck to your career. Jamming po tayo ulit.
Thank you. Oh, When you love someone so deeply, they become your life. It's easy to succumb to overwhelming fears inside. Blindly, I imagine I could keep you under.
Ayan, Arts.
Paborito natin ang kanyang mga awitin.
I keep talking in my sleep as if you were still right by my side, baby. All of the precious, all of the memories, give you all I have inside. And after all this time, you think that I wouldn't feel the same. The time melts into night.
Ang kanyang mga pauso naging paborito ng marami. Ang lahat idol siyang tinuturing. Paborito natin siyang talaga dahil nga nag-iisa lamang siya. Regine Velasquez, ang paborito nating diva. Sa crush ng bayan, makikipagsabayan na siya.
Flowers you left me here, still wilt on the shelf of the phone. You took a part of.
This portion was brought to you by New 8 O'Clock with OJ88 Squared.
And ganon. Okay, tutong-tuto. Dito po siya live. Kasama ko po. Co-host ko siya ngayon, pero i-grill muna natin siya. Diba? Miss Regine Velasquez, Asia's favorite songbird. Okay, kamusta ka na?
Okay lang. Akala ko ba makikiintriga din ako?
Mamaya.
This portion is brought to you by M&M's and Skin White Whitening Moisturizing Bath Soap.
Okay, ayan. We're back. Okay. Sabi ko siya, di ba? Papakita ko muna sa'yo kung paano mampiga.
Mampiga. O, sige,
Tapos
para
pwede ka na.
matuto ako.
Exactly.
Sige, go.
Okay, game. Itong nag-iisang ikaw, it's your first movie since a year ago?
A year
ago na, no?
Yeah, 1 year.
Wanted Perfect Mother yun.
No, actually, Hani Nasa Langit na Bako.
Ah.
This was with Jono Gibbs.
Okay.
This is my 4th movie under Viva Films.
Ngayon, this seems to be your one of your, I guess, your favorite movie.
Yeah?
Okay. Why is that? Anong kakaiba sa movie na to?
No, because my character here is really different from the others. Kasi yung mga pinaportray ko before, parang malapit na rin sa character ko. Pero ito, medyo Malapit din siya, pero medyo malayo ng konti. Kasi like, yung character ko, yung name niya, Anya.
Anya.
Medyo galit siya sa mundo eh. Eh, hindi naman ako
Actually,
galit sa mundo.
Ay, sana naman. Minention mo once na si Anya, yung character na Anya, na in love ka sa character niya. Bakit? I mean, gusto mo maging galit sa mundo?
Hindi naman. Kasi kaya lang siya ganun. Marami kasi siyang inhibitions. Kasi parang, kasi yung family nila medyo dysfunctional. I guess kung galing ka sa ganung family, hindi mo mahi-help na magkaroon ka ng galit sa mga lalaki. Kasi yung parents niya, yung lola niya, tsaka yung nanay niya, walang asawa.
Okay.
Pero madami silang mga boyfriends. Like yung lola niya nakalima yata. Yung nanay niya, yung nanay niya same thing. Hindi pinakasalan ng mga, like as a matter of fact, yung kapatid ko, si Kim De Los Santos, magkaiba kami ng father.
I see.
Ganyan. Tapos meron siyang bagong lover na bata.
So would you say na ito yung pinaka-challenging na drama role mo?
So far, yes. And plus, ngayon kasi sa movie na to, mas maraming comedy, pero meron ding mga mahihirap na moments, like yung kailangan ko nalaman ko na in love na ako dun sa character ni Aga. So that's very hard for me to accept. Yung mga ganun, mahirap yun.
So,
medyo dramatic siya ngayon.
You mentioned, nabasa ko once sa isang interview na you're enjoying life now, you want to grab every opportunity, and in a way, gusto mo maging tulad ni Anya, no? Pero may pagkakaiba, si Anya, trying to be a fulfilled woman, di ba? She's struggling pa rin.
Yeah,
You've achieved so much. Ano pa yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Dramatic actress ka na hinahangaan, Asia Songbird, di ba? I mean, what more?
Actually, siguro as far as career is concerned, wala naman ako, I really cannot ask for anything else anymore, no? Siguro I'm just trying to enjoy my life. Kasi before, I entered the business because I wanted to help my family. But now that I was able to do that, nakapag-aral ko yung 4 kong kapatid, tapos na sila, except for one, matatapos na rin siya. Ngayon, parang gusto ko munang i-enjoy yung buhay ko. There's something that I want to do na dream ko talaga, na sana may mangyari sa akin. Pero kung wala, okay lang din sa akin. At least tinry ko.
But you're leaving in a month?
In June, I'll be leaving.
Yeah, next month.
Next month, yeah. June 7, I think I'm leaving. I'll be there for 2 months.
Sa San
States.
Francisco?
LA, actually.
Sa LA.
But we have a show ni Kuli Desma sa New York, sa LA at saka San Francisco. And then after that, I'm gonna stay na.
Okay, pag-usapan naman natin ang yung love life. You mentioned nga
Pero
na...
ba?
Ganon. You mentioned nga na, di ba, sabi mo na you're enjoying yourself, di ba? Pwede ba isama yung love life sa equation na yun? Enjoying life at the moment. Enjoying life and career at the moment.
Sa ngayon kasi wala pa akong relationship na serious
Pero may mga
talaga.
formal na nanliligaw.
Ewan ko, meron ba? Natanong ko nga eh. Doon sa mga gustong mag-apply, pwede ko kayong kumuha na dito sa Channel 7.
May email ka ba? May PO Box?
Hindi, parang gusto ko lang, kasi marami akong nadidiscover about myself. Like, itong acting is a new thing for me. Tapos, yung singing ko, nagdidirect na din ako. Yung mga ganong things. So, ini-enjoy ko muna yon. Lagi ko sinasabi, busy ako. Pero I guess, kung makikita mo na yung tamang tao para sa'yo,
Okay.
you will find time, diba?
Sinabi mo rin sa isang interview na hindi ka naniniwala sa panliligaw, yung courtship. Dahil parang best foot forward palagi, di ba?
Parate,
Nagpapa-impress. So, ano yung mas gusto mo, yung
Mas gusto
magkakaibigan?
ko yung nag-uumpisa sa pagkakaibigan. Kasi ako naman yung tipo ng babae na pag mahal ko na yung tao, ba't pa ako magpapakipot? Parang pinahirapan mo lang, di ba? Parang if you feel the same way na rin with the person, no, di ba? Tapos sasabihin ko din kung hanggang pagkakaibigan lang, di ba?
So, anong character ng guy na to na maaaring, sabihin natin, some guy who could put your career on hold na, anong character niya? Anong dapat meron? Makatangian.
Niisip ko nga eh.
Di ba dapat bata ka pa, inisip mo na yan?
Nga eh. Kasi paiba-iba eh. Pagka, I guess, as you get older, parang naiiba na. Dati masyado kang idealistic na dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Pero ngayon, parang I just want somebody who will accept me, sa pagiging ako at magiging ako another 20 years. Kasi syempre, change is inevitable.
Tama.
It's there. So, alangan namang ngayon lang niya ako tanggapin, 20 years, wala na, di ba? So, gusto ko yung ganon. Tsaka, sa akin naman, I don't believe in yung parang perfect guy or
Nobody's perfect.
Parang sa akin, you make the relationship work. You make it perfect, di ba?
I see. Maganda yung mga pananaw ni Regine tungkol sa mga relationships.
Medyo naman.
Anyway, ikaw ba naniniwala ka na may mga lalaking intimidated sa'yo?
Oh, hindi ko nga alam kung ba't sila ganun.
O ngayon malalaman mo na. Dahil may mga kalalakihan kami nakausap.
Ano?
Dahil wala silang lakas ng loob.
May nahanap ba kayo?
Marami. Wala kasi
Grabe
silang
naman,
lakas ng loob na humarap sa'yo ngayon.
Ganon?
Nahihiya sila, shy. Oo. Para sabihin sa kanila, or sabihin sa'yo rather, yung
Nararamdaman nila.
nararamdaman, exactly. Panoorin mo ito.
Wanted!
Jowa,
Kasama sa buhay.
kayakap ngayong tag-ulan.
In short, boyfriend.
Husband to be.
Ang hinahanapan namin, wala nang hihigat pa sa talento niya. May ugaling probinsyana pero sosyal ang beauty niya. Of marrying age na, kaya wife material na talaga. Ang mga nagpipresenta, applicant number 1. Siguradong matitipuhan ni Daddy Jerry dahil religyoso. Seryoso na sa buhay, kaya pang husband na talaga.
She's very pleasant to be with. Medyo quiet siya. She has a beautiful smile. But definitely what stands out with Regine Velasquez is the professional that she is, you know? A world-class performer. I would like to apply for her siguro. To apply as a friend. Probably better as a spiritual friend kasi I think she's also very close to God. So, yeah, why not, you know? She's a good gal. She's a great gal.
Ano sa tingin mo, Regine? Applicant number 2. Kapiling mo siya tuwing linggo at hanga ka sa galing ng pagsayaw at paggiling niya. Di ba effect? Kakantahan mo siya, sasayawan ka niya.
Alam mo, bilib talaga ako sa'yo, sobra. Sobrang galing niya. As in, all out eh. Alam mo yun, maganda, di ba? Sexy. Sana one day, the whole day, we can talk and get to know each other. I can teach you how to dance. You can teach me how to sing. Ano ba? Wala naman akong girlfriend eh.
Trip mo bang sumakay sa kapa ni Superman, Lois Lane? Applicant number 3. Don't judge a book by its cover. Dahil sa itsura daw niya, siguradong sasaya ka. Watch out ka lang, darling, dahil baka kabag ang abutin mo.
Hi, Regine. Pwede ba mag-apply? Kasi, alam mo, sa totoo lang, may guts ako para mag-apply sa'yo dahil ikaw na maging commercial model. 2 sitcom ko. Tsaka isa pa, tingin ko sisikat ako dahil weather ko ngayon Yung pag ako pinili mo, marami akong katangian. Masarap ako magluto. Sa umaga, sa tanghali, tsaka sa gabi. Athletic ako Marami nga nagsasabi na mukha daw akong basketballista. Tsaka isa pa, fair complexion. Alam ko, yan ang mga hinahanap mo Di ba? Sana naman mag-isip-isip ka. Well, hindi kita pinipilit pero sana ako piliin mo.
Tindi ng fighting spirit, di ba? Applicant number 4. Nagpakatotoo siya, sister, na booking namin na crush ka niya talaga.
I am Brian Agoncillo. I'm from Mornings at GMA. I'm one of the hosts. And sana kung pwede, mag-apply ako as your friend. As a very, I would appreciate it if ma-grant mo yung application ko na maging kaibigan. If ever you consider being my friend, ang ma-assure ko sa'yo is that I'll be honest, I'll be loyal, and well, I could be one to appreciate the arts with you because I myself I'm a big fan of yours and your art.
Totoo nga ba yan, brother? Applicant number 5. Makulit ang jolly babe na ito. Crush ka raw kasi. Winner ang dimples, killer pa sa pagka-romantic. Pero wag ka, responsible na, ultimate guwaping pa.
Ako, mag-a-apply ako sa kanya. Gusto ko maging PA niya. O kaya gusto ko maging driver niya. Para driver or PA. Para parating ako kasama. Really, I really want to be close to her. I'm very open to her. And pati yung admiration ko sa kanya, I'm very open about it. I'm sorry if I have if I have to tell the public, but really, he brought back life. Really, sa akin, sa gana ko sa work, and marami kang nabuksang pintuan sa akin na matagal na nakasara talaga. Not necessarily, I'm not saying it's, you love or like that, but everything, life. And you're a very nice person. Sobra. sexy ka pa.
O paano, Regine? Nakumbinsi ka na ba?
Jowa.
Kasama sa buhay.
Kayakap ngayong tag-ulan. In short,
Boyfriend.
So Miss Songbird Regine, sinong tipo mong maging boyfriend to be? Desisyonan mo na!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 5.
Alam mo,
Walang 4.
sa totoo lang, lahat cute. And actually, I want
Ulitin
to
isa,
be... Oo, gusto ko maging kaibigan lahat kasi gusto nila akong maging friend. Pero I'm sorry boys, pero pipiliin ko yung number 3 eh. I'm sorry.
Nakapag-isip ka na talaga.
Yun ang desisyon ko.
Pero may problema tayo.
Bakit?
Wala siyang lakas na loob na humarap sa'yo. Iisa lang ang lalaki may lakas na loob humarap sa'yo.
Sino?
According to him, hindi daw siya nahihiyang kumanta sa harap mo.
Oo.
Very natural daw siya pagdating sa, pag nag-uusap daw kayo.
Oo.
At halos lahat ng katangian na hinahanap sa lalaki ay nasa kanya daw. According to him. Hindi. According to a lot of people, nasa kanya yung mga katangian na hinahanap mo sa isang lalaki. Dali na natin dito sa loob ng studio, Mr. Aga Mula. Aha! Aga. Okay, welcome to S-Files once again. May yung mic mo na dito. Ayan.
Hello, Aga. Good afternoon and welcome to my show.
Oo nga. Maganda, it's nice to
Nag-umpisa na,
long time no
nag-umpisa na
see. Long time.
Okay. Aga, i-describe mo nga si Regine dahil total medyo dinescribe ka na niya. Ay, i-describe ka na later, no? Pero i-describe mo muna siya. Regine through your eyes. Ba't nagkakatawa na?
Gandahan mo, ah.
May private joke yata.
Biglang
Maganda
gandahan
ako ba?
mo,
ah.
Nasabi ko na lahat yata eh. And she knows that already. And
Yung
it's...
sexy, yung...
Not but she's really a nice person. It's just that, kumbaga marami pa siyang responsibilidad sa buhay at sa sarili niya na gusto niya pang gawin lahat yun. Although, ang sinasabi niya nga sa akin, that, hindi niya naman sinasabi na ayaw niya muna ng boyfriend, It's just that if it comes along the way, then let it be.
Good and fine.
Yeah.
Good and fine.
Nagko-confide ba siya sa'yo yung mga problema niya?
Hindi pa naman masyado.
Hindi ba naman masyado?
Hindi naman masyado. But there was one time that, we had a long talk and sabi ko, okay na, send na ako. Kasi ganyan, minsan...
Ano? Ako, ayan na. Nagsusuntukan na. Nagsusuntukan na mga kaibigan. Bakit? Ganun ba kayo? Ganun ba kayo magloko?
Karinyo brutal.
Karinyo. Baka magkapasa-pasa. Mahirapan sa mga shoes.
Siya din eh.
Pero nabasa namin once sa isang scene daw. Ito very interesting to, no? Yung part na may kissing scene kayo. Tapos may sinabi kang may sinabi ka she asked you how should I kiss you? Parang gano'n. Tapos may sinabi kang any way you want. Sabi ni Regine. Di ba?
Ganun ba yan? No, naman. We talked about it. Siyempre, nakaka-nervous din.
Oo, kasi siya, parang, kasi nakaka-nervous naman talaga
Yung
dahil
first part na yun.
madaming tao,
I
parang
see.
siyempre when you kiss somebody, parang kayong dalawa lang, ang daming 10 million people.
Mahirap,
so,
nakaka-tense.
Mahirap, so
Okay.
sinasabi niya sa akin, how do I kiss you? Parang gano'n. Sabi ko,
Kahit na, no?
kahit ano.
Sige. Ngayon naman, i-describe ni Regine si Aga. Ayun. Pero unique to dahil hindi mga salta gagamitin niya kundi isang kanta.
Oo. Halika,
At saka Aga, by the way, no, kung gusto mong maki-join,
maki-join. Pwede rin.
join ka. Pag alam yung kanta.
You close to me. Hindi,
Okay.
hindi yan.
Ngayon muna natin yung pitch, ha. Ito. Wala pang rehearsal to, eh. Ngayon pa lang. Wala pa sa
Ayun.
yung gitara.
Okay.
Subukan natin. Game.
Ever I call you friend, I begin to think I understand where we are. You and I will always be forever. Just think about the times we had. Ano nga knowing I would be the lone one. Everything that always thinking to you. Forever and ever, sweet. Now I know my life has given me more than memories. Day by day, we can see, and every moment there's a reason to carry on. Sweet love showing us a heavenly light. I never seen such a beautiful sign. See love flowing on us every night. I know forever we'll be
One more time.
Right, come on. Sweet love, I've never seen such a beautiful sight. See life flowing on us every night. I know forever we'll be doing it right. Galing ni Paolo?
Teka, para sa inyo na ngayon. Reaction. Yun ang kanta para sa'yo.
Kinanta eh. Pag kinakanta, mahirap eh. Nakakailan talaga eh. Pero alam mo, yung una sinabi niya sa'yo, talaga madami na-intimidate talaga sa'yo.
Ayun.
Pero hindi nila alam, ang galing mong tao.
Alam mo, mga kaibigan, napapansin ko medyo nakaka-private conversation yata dito. At mukhang medyo may pagka-MH ang dating, eh, no? Pero bago ako umalis, no? Dahil alis ako, si Regina mag-interview sa'yo. May tanong ako sa'yo. Gaano ka totoo? At pag magkaminan tayo, lalaki sa lalaki, gaano ka totoo na nakaka-inlove talaga si Regine? Na-inlove ka kay Regine?
Sige, hindi na ako
titingin. Sige.
No.
Lalaki sa lalaki.
No, you know, it's you know, it's like well, I've always had a
nakalagay dun, sagutin mo daw.
Background music.
You know, it's like I've always had of course a big crush on her, and you know, like working with her is like a dream come true also for me. And you know, yung parati pa siya nakakasama araw-araw, you know, and tapos hindi ka pinapansin.
Okay.
Hindi ka talaga namamansin nung unang shooting. Oo.
Alam mo,
parang ano ka na, hello ka lang.
Ito na. Bibigyan ko na kayo yung chance. Linawin niyo yung mamaya kung sino yung hindi papansinan, kung sino yung suplada daw. Mamaya, pagbalik mo ng S-Files, magtatapatan doon yung dalawang to. At lahat ilalabas. Si Regine Velasquez po, yung pinili ko Agamula. Pagbalik mo ng S-Files, dala po kayo.
At nandito po muli tayo at kasama ko pa rin ang lalaking hinandugan ko ng awitin ko kanina. Mr. Aga! Feeling ko host talaga ako. Aga, sabihin mo nga sa akin.
Magandang hapon sa'yo.
Magandang hapon naman.
Binibini.
Binibini, yes. Sabihin mo nga sa akin, totoo ba yung sinabi mo kanina dun sa VTR mo? Na may mga nararamdaman ka daw during nung shooting natin. Eh, ba't wala naman akong naramdaman na? Hindi ko naman masyadong naramdaman na. Ano ba yun? Ano naman nag-reaction mo doon?
Wala, kasi nakatago lang sa akin lahat yun.
Nakatago lang. Tinago naman pala eh, kayo naman. Tinago. Eh hindi kasi daw parang pinigil mo raw ang iyong damdamin para sa akin.
Yeah, it's really funny you're asking me this question, you know?
I know!
Parang ano, di ba?
Tapos ako rin yung makakadinig. Parang, Oh, anyway, sagutin mo.
Yan siya. Ganyan siya. Kaya minsan nandun ka na biglang, para kang biglang sasarduhan ng pintuan.
Uy, sobra ka naman. Hindi, pero ito, it's another question.
You know what? I've always been open about, you know,
Nagulat naman ako
my admiration and my feelings. And minsan, ang sa akin nga parang gusto ko, sa akin na lang yun, ano? And kasi I know and I could sense that you don't have time for that one first. Kaya bigat din, kung alam mo lang. Kaya yung mga late ko, aaminin ko sa'yo yung mga late ko na yun, ang bigat pag dumarating ako sa shooting. Kasi parang ito na naman, kaharap na naman kita, parang tas ayun.
Dito lang po yan sa S-Files. Hindi, pero sabi kasi, marami kasing mga nagsasabi din na tao, I'm sure na-encounter mo na rin tong question na to during ng press ko natin, na baka gimmick lang daw naman to. Kasi karamihan daw lagi kang na-link parati sa...
It's always, you know, it's not only me, in fairness to me, to us,
Yeah.
you know. All movies, they always link up the ano,
Yeah,
diba?
actually.
And my point is, if I fall in love, that's mine, diba? Kumbaga, wala naman akong sinasaktan doon. And kumbaga, my point is just let me love you, you know? Just give that to me. Hindi ko kailangan ipakita sa'yo, hindi ko kailangan sabihin sa'yo. But I just wanna feel it, you know?
And if I may add, kasi
Plus,
po...
I can only fall for someone I really like.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And if I may add nga, kasi po, karamihan din po ng nakikita ni... Hindi, sa kanila. Karamihan po ng nakikita din po namin, yung mga tao from the business. Kasi yun, same, di ba? Pare-pareho tayo ng business na ginagalawan. So, hindi mo mahe-help, di ba? But, are you ready to settle down?
I should ask you that also.
Ako ang interviewer.
But you know what? Hindi mo napapansin. We're of the same age, no? And we're both certified singles.
Naku, tatanong ko pa naman sana yan. Hindi, okay, go.
Talaga? No, you.
Bakit ako? Ba't sa akin binabato? Ikaw nga eh. Are you ready to settle down?
No, I want to ask you that question also. Talaga. I know you have dreams, ano? There's this one big dream that, you know, you really want to achieve. But then, if the man comes in your life before that you really fall and he asks for your, you know...
My hand?
Yes.
I guess it would be fine. Kasi hindi ko naman din pagpapalit yung having a family dun sa career eh. But like I said, hindi ka ang co-host eh, ni Paolo. Ako!
Ano ba? Ituloy mo.
Teka muna, magkaliwanagan nga muna tayo. Meron ka bang girlfriend ngayon?
Wala.
Wala daw.
May girlfriend ka na?
Wala.
Oh, kaya yun ang sinasabi ko.
Yun din ang nga sinasabi ko eh.
It's nice. Me, I'm happy that, you know, yung nagkasama tayo sa pelikula. And then, it's sad really that this is like our last day.
Yeah, I know. But I just want to tell you also that I had a wonderful time working with you. You're such a nice guy to be with. And I want to be one of your friends because I know that, kasi nakikita ko sa'yo na parang ikaw yung tipong kaibigan na pag kinailangan ka, nandun ka parate. Diba?
Nasabihan lang kasi ako ng mga kuno, no? Kala nila
eh. Pero alam nyo mga kaibigan, kahit na iniintriga ka ng maraming tao, maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Kaya ka nga laging nalilig sa mga leading ladies mo kasi hindi din nila ma-help yung sarili nila na ma-inlove sa isang aga mula. Panoorin mo to.
With Jolly Babe Aga, mahilig mong lekta. At di basta-basta dahil mamahalin talaga. Nandyan yung mga love na love niya ang mga jet ski niya. Pati na rin ang mga chikot at motorbikes na talagang pamparada. At ang commercials niya, padami ng padami talaga. Pero ang pinaka-importanting collections niya, ang leading ladies niyang talagang napahanga niya. Paano nga ba mag-alaga si Doc Aga?
He was kind to me. He was nice, he was sweet. And actually I miss working with him.
Very malambing eh. That's why some people mistake it or na parang nagkakaroon ng impression na wrong impression, he's really babaero, but he's not. Darating lang ako minsan sa set, may balloons and may flowers. Tatawag yung mga 2 hours ng talagang alas 6 ng umaga.
Amin kasi more on friendship.
Oh! Are you very close to your mom?
Yeah, you're close to me. You're like my mother. You're close to me. You're like my mother.
Are you very close to your mom?
Huh?
You are very close to your mom.
Yes.
I can see eh. Kasi parang, alam mo, may nagsabi sa akin na dapat daw yung lalaking hahanapin mo, siguraduhin mong close sa mother. Kasi kung paano niya tinatrato yung nanay niya, ganun ka rin tatratuhin. Ito ba yun?
It's very true. Plus the fact that I have a sister also. You know? And minsan nagkaroon lang talaga ako ng reputasyon na gano'n, no, sa babae. Although, ang sinasabi ko nga dati, di sana kung siraulo talaga ako, lahat dapat siya sinusumpa na ako. Siguro, di ba?
No, but you can see naman na lahat sila only have good words for you, di ba? Aga, mag-promote ka naman ng movie natin. Ano naman masasabi mo sa pelikula natin?
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Yun lang. Hindi, may movie po kami. Parang nagbakal daw ako. Nagbakal daw ako. Ganda. Meron po kaming movie ni Aga Mulak. Dahil may isang ikaw na mag-showing po sa June 1. Directed by?
Joyce Bernal, of course. And yung premiere night namin tomorrow, Mega Mall 9 and 10 at 7:30. Punta lang kayo lahat dun. We're inviting all of you to watch the movie. And of course, on June 1st.
Thank you very much for being
Ayoko
here.
pa tapos.
Ay, hindi pa tapos.
Meron pa ako itatanong sa'yo.
Sige, ano yan? Siya naman, ikaw na naman. Thank you very much, Aga.
Thank you to Reg.
It was a wonderful experience for me to, work with you and hopefully we'll be able to work with each other again. Magbabalik po ang S-Files. Huwag kayong aalis.